Today we are going to make cucumber relish, or what we call Ar-Jad in Thai language. We use it like salsa in South American cuisines, often eaten with sweet Thai menu like pork satay, spring rolls, etc. Which if you are interested, I will put those recipe links for you in description. Hello guys, Sawadee Khao. Welcome back to Thai Girl in the Kitchen channel. If you are new, my name is Pam. Happy to have you here and nice to meet you. Okay, let's start cooking together. We are using red onion or shallot if you have, a couple red chilies, cucumber, not the whole one though, sugar, salt, and white vinegar. That's all. Basically, now we're just going to slice everything up. For this part, if you don't want it too spicy, you can use big red pepper instead too, to get the milder spice. We are using the low heat for this step. 4 tablespoons white vinegar. 3 tablespoons water. 2 tablespoons sugar and 1 teaspoon salt. Now just keep stirring until the sugar and salt melt. Now we rest in the bowl and let it cool down before pouring on vegetables. And now we are ready to serve this side dish with any yummy menu of choice. Can be such as fish cakes, shrimp cakes, spring rolls, or satay. And if this recipe is easy, please let me know by hitting the like button. Thank you very much for watching. See you again next recipe. Sawadee Khao.